2012, NASA released recordings of strange sounds captured in space. They sounded like eerie whistles, strange hums, and even distant screams. People immediately started asking the same question. Were these messages from something out there? But here's the strange part. Sound can't actually travel through the vacuum of space. So what were people hearing? The recordings came from electromagnetic signals detected by spacecraft near planets and deep space environments. Scientists converted those signals into sounds humans could hear. The result was unsettling, completely real, and still unlike anything most people have ever heard. So if you heard these sounds without knowing where they came from, what would you think they were?